Everyone, welcome back to Anand Tech Dev. Today we are solving a classic lead code problem, best time to buy and sell stock, problem number 121. It's marked as easy but it teaches a powerful technique that shows up in the real world of coding interviews. Quick question before we start, like can you solve this problem in just one pass without using extra space? Let's find out. So let's see the problem statement. Like we are given an array called prices where prices array of I represents the price of a stock on day of I. Like our goal is to buy the stock on one day and then sell it on a later day, maximizing our profit. If no profit is possible, we simply return zero. Like in the given example, if you see in this input, we are getting the output as 5 because this is the maximum profit. And in the example 2, as the and we are getting the output 0 because in this case no transactions are done and the max profit is 0. So let's strategize like how we solve this problem. So to solve this efficiently, we will use a single pass approach with two variables. First we will get a variable min price that tracks the lowest price seen so far, and then we will get a variable max profit to track the maximum profit we can achieve. And as we iterate, we will update the min price if the current price is lower, and then calculate the current price minus min price as potential profit, and then we will update the max profit if this profit is greater. Like this is a classical graded approach, and we make the optimal choice at each step. So let's start code. First we declare a variable min price, and we are giving the maximum value in min price. Now we are creating a variable named max profit, and we are assigning 0 here because currently there is no profit, and by default if there is no profit then we need to return this. Then now we will get a for loop. We are using for each loop, so we will declare a variable price and then we will iterate in each prices through each prices. And there is a if condition, like if price is smaller than minimum price, then it will satisfy this condition, and then it will go inside this if condition, and then it will assign min price with a new price value. So it will update this with minimum price. Let's check else condition. So if price minus minimum price is greater than max profit, this will this is the condition. Here we need to update the max profit value if it satisfy this condition. Price minus price, and it will update the max profit. And after for loop ends, then we can return the max profit value, as we need to return this value as shown in the example and this problem statement. And for quick note, this integer dot max value ensures that any price we will see replace it at the start. So let's run this solution. So the solution is accepted and we can submit this solution. Yeah, this is the correct solution. So let's try run through this test case 715364 for to understand more. So on day 0 the price is 7, and so the minimum price will become 7, and then at the starting the profit is 0 and the max profit will be 0, like that. And on day 1, first is at day 0 and then at day 1. So on day 1, if you see, the price of the stock is 1 and minimum price will value will be 1, and now the profit is 0 because the stock is lowest, I think. Yeah, and max profit is also 0 right now. So on day 2 the price of the stock will be 5, so now the profit will be there. So the min price is already 1 and now the price is 5, so this is not like 1 is smaller than 5, so minimum price will be 1 only. And now there is some profit, so 5 minus 1 will be 4. So max profit, currently the max profit is 4 only. So on day 3 the stock will become at 3, so now the minimum price will be 1 only, because you see 1 is the lowest value, so minimum price will be 1. So now the profit will be 2, and currently the max profit is 4 only, because which we got on day number 2. Now on day 4 the stock price is 6 and the minimum price is 1 itself, and now the profit is 5, and now the max profit is also 5. And at last day, day number 5, the price of the stock is 4, and minimum price is 1, and the profit should be 3, but now the max profit is 5, you see. So now uh, through dry run it is more understandable now. So few cases which we need to remember, like for single element array we will return the 0, and for always decreasing prices, like for this case we will return 0, and for constant price we will get 0. So for these three cases we will always get 0. And for this program, as we are using one for loop, so the time complexity is order of n and space complexity is order of 1, so it is very efficient code. So yeah, and that's it. Like greedy solution to maximize the stock profit. And if this helped you, then please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below what problem you want me to solve next. Like next time we will tackle best time to buy and sell stock where multiple transactions are allowed to stay. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching and happy coding.